I got a few rail and ledge combos that I want to do. In my opinion, this is the best skate park plaza for combos. Street tricks, park tricks, all the ledges and the coping are so perfect, so you can lock in really good. And they even have a huge bowl that you can just send it at them and ride fly out, which a lot of kids do when they come here. Before we get into the 3 tricks that I really want to get at today. The skate park is called Apex, and this is one of my local parks. I need to warm up first before we get at these combos. There's 3 rails in the park. There's this one down the bank, the one over there that has the kink, and then there's one all the way in the back that I usually like to ride the most. And those 3 rails, I have a mission for each one. And each one I want to do a combo where I'm grinding the rail and connecting the rail and another part of the skate park. With this first rail and the kink rail, I want to connect this mani pad. Come on. That one took 3, I think 4 tries. Not too bad, just turning left sucks. And the train's coming, so I'm not gonna be able to chat as much, which is fine, so we can get straight into the next trick, which is that kink rail. That one we made it first try. That one I knew wasn't gonna be too hard. It's just something I wanted to do. But the last one, I'm gonna save for a little bit. I'll do a couple more skate park tricks just because I watched some recent videos and I'm just riding tech, which I love. But I know a lot of you love more tricks and more air tricks, so this park is good for it. It's good for street, it's good for park. Let's get it. The more and more I ride the scooter, the more I'm just getting so comfortable. The 5-point wide inch deck by 21, the tie thermal bars. I started riding T-bars a long time ago and back to them. I love them. I feel like T-bars are the perfect all-around bar. Good for park, good for street, and of course flat. Now let's get that last combo that I was talking about with that back rail. It's a flat ground rail that I want to link into a manual and try to make it to the next obstacle. I'll make up my mind when I get over there. Come on. Come on. Finally, oh my God. You see what I'm saying though? You can connect so many pieces in the skate park, and if you're not doing combos, you can do lines. So you don't necessarily need to do a manual to connect these things. But if you want to film lines, you got quarter pipes, rails, weird volcano spine looking things, mani pads, hovers. There's a huge bowl in the back. So whatever you want is here. Apex Skate Park. Really grateful this is not too far away from my house, and what a good session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for daily videos, and I hope you like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.